Today we're going to unbox Apple Watch Series 3. But before all that, we're going to compare the two boxes. This one is the original Apple Watch, which I bought in 2015. So as you can see, the size of these two boxes are totally different. One is thinner, one is larger. So we're going to unbox the Series 3. So we got this pull tab, we just tear it out. So as you can see, we're using Apple Watch Series 3 42mm case silver aluminium sports band 4 edition. Now let's look behind and compare the two different. You can't see it properly, but I can tell you. So the original version say require iPhone 5 or later with the version iOS 8. While this one requires iPhone 5s or later with iOS 11. So I have my own iPhone 10, so we can set that up together. Now the differences between the two of them is that this guy is using an OLED display, while the original Apple Watch is using an LCD display. This Apple Watch is using a dual core chip, while this is using a single core chip. So let's unbox the Series 3e now. So Apple has made a great aerodynamic egg which reduces air resistance while opening in the box. So of course in the beginning is Apple wants to put designed by Apple in California first. Let's check out what's inside. So we got Apple Watch starting guide. Tells you what to do. It's exactly same as the old version. Also inside the box we still got the extra if you are a person who is hand is small or medium, then this strap will be suitable for you. So next, let's see the watch. So you can see the watch is wrapped around with plastic, which is very protective and very beautiful. It's gorgeous and striking. So let's take out the plastic first and compare with the original. Let's put this aside. Let me take out this strap. Let's compare. Oh, it's a big difference. This one looks thicker than this. When I just put it at the side, you actually can find the difference. Instead, our Series 3 looks a bit bigger than the Series 0, which is kind of cool. Of course, I'm going to connect this to my iPhone. We also remove this tab at the same time, metal. So before we start, let's check what we got inside the box. So this must be its case. So of course, we have a lightning cable. Well, actually this is a magnetic cable. It's only for Apple Watch. So this is magnetic. When you connect, it's magnetic. We also have a 5-watt charger. Let's pull it off. It's exactly, if you in UK, Hong Kong or Malaysia, mostly their adapter will be like this. If you guys are from Canada, will be a 2-pin connector, while Australia is a 3-pin connector. Now this is the 42mm. So you might realize that both of them are the same. Now why did I choose the silver type? Now the reason is, number one, I don't want to bring the same color. If I bring this to university, my friends will not know the difference between the two. And also, the silver one is limited edition. I was able to get the last one. So I was very lucky. And look around, it's very beautiful. Series 3 42 aluminium. It's composite back. Let's check the original. It's using 7000 series aluminium. While this one, he's using composite back, same thing, but the numbers are totally different. It has GPS built in. So one good thing about this is water resistant. So during the rain, if the car actually spray at your watch, it will not affect. For this, it might affect and it cause yourself a bomb because you must send to service center to service this Apple Watch. So let's go and start up this watch. So of course all startup will take some time, but it has a dual core chip inside. We call it the S3 chip with a wireless W2. Means that you can connect independently to AirPods. Also, I will show in another video. So now we got to go to the watch app. So you can see this is actually my previous generations connected. So actually we can just click here pair new watch to connect it to my new Apple Watch, or you wait until I set up, you automatically connect to my iPhone 10. So we just wait for a moment. So before I set up, let me talk about my experience using this Apple Watch Series 0. Now, the beginning when using this watch is very fast. I was actually using my iPhone 5 to use it, and it's very good. So, oh wait, there is a watch. Low battery, continue connect to the charger. Okay, so means that I need to charge it while installing it. Let me take this thing out. Satisfying in. It's the first time I saw they wrap it up very neatly. Of course, it takes time to open because it's a yes, pull tab. Nice. So mostly you have to connect to its charger, so it's better to connect it now. Okay, now I gotta connect this to my Apple Watch. So it's at 39%. So bring my iPhone near to the watch. So there is, you can see as icon appear, set up your Apple Watch. So I click continue. And it asks me to connect it. So we just move a line near to it. And there we go. Let's set up. Of course, it's left. It's possible to right. So we let it load. So of course, it takes some time. Cool. Okay, so it's now setting in out language in the Apple Watch Series 3. It's very different when setting up the Series 1 because I had to set up first only connect to the phone. While Series 3, it can automatically connect it wirelessly. So I got to agree. Sign account. I got to reset it. So you say that you already signed the account, that one should be the Apple Watch Series 3. So I'll wait until this thing in completely done, and I will put it later on. So we finally installed the Series 3 Apple Watch. Now it's very fast. As you see, when I swipe right, this Hey Siri. So when you swipe right to the right, this is Hey Siri, so we can listen to Siri. So I swipe to the right, it's very responsive. Swipe to the right, swipe to the right. Let's compare to Series 1. Let's go back to its original position. So it's a little bit lag when you try to swipe. See, you cannot swipe very fast. Let's compare to him again. Constant and fast motion. This doesn't even respond well because it's using a single chip. So when it tried to swipe, you had to stretch out only you can swipe. While this, just swipe, it will just straight return. Now the cool thing about the Apple Watch is that it's built-in radio. Compared to the Apple Watch Series 1, it doesn't have a radio at all, which looks very weird. Now, it also has Siri. Both of them have Siri, but who's responsive? This guy is responsive. So let's ask this something. Siri, what is the time today. So you straight away say 11:01 p.m. So straightforward. While I done this before in Siri, it doesn't respond. It will say that sorry, cannot hear it again. So this guy I can hear 5 times clearer compared to the original Apple Watch. Now the dock, you click this, you can form you can just remove it and you can slide out which one you want and go back at the place that you want to load. This is Activity Hell app. And you also can see the altimeter. This one can check how many flights you are climbing. This sometimes not responsive. When I click the side button, it sometimes hang and then you automatically return to here and you keep open and close and open and close. While this one is more responsive. You can hold and close and you can click all apps to show all the apps you want to go and you click it to go where you want to go. Of course I know music but I haven't added it yet. When I download, it requires me to update the power because my power now is 31%. So that's all about it. Please sure to subscribe my channel and let my review. Thank you.